Welcome to this demonstration of intelligent solutions for the life insurance industry from Microsoft, seen from the point of view of an insurance agent. Microsoft is helping life insurance companies redefine how they do business by empowering them to provide intelligent agent tools, deliver engaging policyholder experiences, and leverage AI to improve all interactions. Greg Winston is an insurance agent at Contoso Insurance who uses intelligent solutions for life insurance from Microsoft to work smarter and increase his referral rates. When Greg signs into Dynamics 365, he's presented with an agent dashboard that helps him plan the day's activities. On the right, he can see his open leads and opportunities graded and scored by AI models. On the left, in the Relationship Assistant pane, he can see system-generated alerts about new leads and policyholder activity. Through the power of AI, the system has detected a possible life event for Enrico Cataneo, one of Greg's policyholders, and an alert about a beneficiary change, both flagged as opportunities for Greg to reach out and discuss Enrico's life insurance needs. Here in the beneficiary change case record, Greg gets a snapshot view of the case details, including knowledge base articles with contextual information and a timeline of the events related to this alert. There's also a first response countdown to ensure the beneficiary change form is received within 10 days to meet the organization's service level agreement. Greg can drill in to get a 360-degree view of his customer. He can see that the relationship is good, according to a machine learning assessment of back-end signals the system has detected, and he gets a snapshot of Enrico's LinkedIn network. Greg can see a timeline of previous interactions, any existing alerts, and a list of open policies, such as the whole life policy Enrico just requested a change for. He can also look at any open cases, for example, the beneficiary change case that was just initiated, and any opportunities such as this one that was automatically opened based on the detected life event. Greg can see that this is a very high-scoring opportunity for the reasons listed below. Enrico is a current client. He had a detected life event, namely his recent marriage, and he also changed jobs in the last 90 days. Greg is ready to schedule an appointment to meet with Enrico, and he returns to Enrico's contact record. The lifeblood of Greg's business is referrals, so he first takes a moment to look at Enrico's LinkedIn network. He opens his connections and filters the list down to those people who are located within his geographical area. Next, he selects the highest seniority level to find connections with the largest net worth. Now, Greg has a targeted, manageable list of leads that he can follow up with later. With tools like these, insurers can empower their agents to leverage data and sell more intelligently. On his way to meet with Enrico, Greg notices a notification in the Microsoft Teams app on his mobile device. Someone on his team has sent a message reminding Greg to get the beneficiary change form from Enrico during the meeting. Using the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Assistant app on Microsoft Teams, Greg can refamiliarize himself with the details of the opportunity and customer account, and even check Enrico's activity timeline for any further insights that might be helpful. More generally, the Dynamics 365 Assistant highlights meetings and insights that are important for Greg to keep in mind, so he can remain productive even while he's out of the office. During his meeting with Enrico, Greg can access intelligent insurance capabilities from his Surface device. He can get a 360-degree view of Enrico and his household, including a graph of his relationship health over time and other account details. Greg can see Enrico's active policies, as well as a list of his recent activities, including both communications and transactions. Next, to expedite processing, Greg offers to scan the beneficiary change form from the app on his Surface device. The app reads the form and, using AI capabilities, recognizes that a field is missing, in this case, the participant's date of birth. Greg has Enrico fill in the missing information and then rescans the form. This time, it checks out, and Greg uploads it to the system to complete the change process. Next, Greg offers to provide a quote for a new life insurance policy to cover Enrico's newly expanded household. He uses the Fact Finders tool to collect the information he needs, including the couple's combined replacement income, estimated expenses, existing assets, and current amount of life insurance. Greg can also add any notes that come out of the meeting, such as a reminder to follow up about estate planning. He indicates which next steps are needed triggering a back-end workflow to manage these follow-up tasks and assignments. Having gained Enrico's trust to share financial details with them, Greg takes the opportunity to request referrals using the list he generated from Enrico's LinkedIn connections. Enrico indicates which connections he's comfortable referring, and Greg marks those for immediate follow-up, helping him focus his efforts and sell more intelligently. As you've just seen, Microsoft is empowering life insurance companies to provide intelligent agent tools, deliver engaging policyholder experiences, and leverage AI to improve all interactions. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative or visit our website.